Hello everyone. Take the front section of the hair and then tie a rubber band to it. Divide the hair into two sections, that is the top section. Make a braid out of it, and then as you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Divide the bottom into two parts, make two braids and roll it up. Take a section of the hair off the top and tie a rubber band to it. Add a rubber band in the middle and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Make another section right underneath it and repeat this step. Slightly loosen the hair using your fingers. Leave out a section from the front and then make a ponytail at the back. Begin to twist the front section as such. Roll it one on top of the other. Wrap it around the ponytail at the bottom and tie a rubber band to it. Make multiple sections of the front of the hair. Tie rubber bands to each of them and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include the second section into it as such. Once you reach the middle portion of it, add the third section as well and continue to do this until you reach the last section and then completely braid the hair. Join it to the ponytail at the back. Roll the braid up at the bottom. Tie it up with a rubber band. Comb the hair, leave out the front section of the hair. Begin to braid the hair as such. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair, join it to the back ponytail. Braid the back and roll it up into a bun. Leave out a section from the front, tie a knot using a ribbon. Taking a section of the ribbon, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it, tie a ponytail at the bottom and then make a bow shape out of it. Thank you for watching.